What's up, gamers? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of graphics cards with the highly anticipated NVIDIA RTX 5080. This beast is about to change the game, literally. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a video editor, or just someone who loves cutting-edge tech, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Trust me, this card is a game changer. So, what's new with the RTX 5080? Let's get into it. First up, let's talk performance. NVIDIA is claiming that the RTX 5080 will be a massive leap over the previous 40 series. And when I say massive, I mean we're talking raw power. The card is rumored to have 10,750 CUDA cores and 16 GB of GDDR7 memory. Yes, you heard that right, GDDR7. This means ultra-high frame rates, 8K gaming at max settings, and insane rendering speeds for creators. For the geeks out there, the clock speeds are rumored to hit up to 3 GHz, and we're looking at a whopping 1.5x improvement in ray tracing capabilities. Imagine the smoothness. Ray tracing is about to hit a whole new level of realism. Think photorealistic lighting and reflections like you've never seen before. Water in games will look like it's straight out of a movie scene. Now, it's not just the raw power. The RTX 5080 is packed with some groundbreaking features. Say hello to DLSS 4.0, yes, the next generation of deep learning super sampling. This new AI-enhanced tech means better upscaling, crisper images, and smoother gameplay even at ultra-high resolutions. Imagine playing a game at 4K and DLSS 4.0 makes it feel like you're still playing at 1080p in terms of performance mind-blowing. And here's another cool feature, quantum core architecture. This new architecture improves efficiency, so the card runs cooler and quieter even under heavy load. It's designed for top-tier performance, but with power saving in mind. Goodbye, overheating. Now, let's get into the benchmarks. Early leaks suggest the RTX 5080 is hitting over 100 FPS in Cyberpunk 2077 at 8K with ray tracing on. That's insane performance. And it's not just for gaming. Creators, listen up. If you're into 3D rendering or video editing, this GPU will drastically cut down your workflow time. We're talking 30 to 40% faster render times compared to the RTX 4080. Okay, now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. While NVIDIA hasn't confirmed anything yet, industry rumors suggest this bad boy will launch around $1,500. Yeah, it's a premium card, but with these specs, you're investing in future-proof tech for the next several years. So, there you have it. The RTX 5080 is shaping up to be a beast, offering next-gen performance, smarter features, and a potential revolution for both gamers and creators. Are you as hyped as I am? Let me know in the comments what you think about the RTX 5080. Is this a day one buy for you, or are you holding out for more info? Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.